So you just got your new iPhone 13 and it's not acting right with your CarPlay. You did not pay for this. You paid for the Apple luxury. This is how you can fix that, just by doing this simple thing right here. First thing you want to do is go into settings, and then the quickest way to get to it is just type in music. And then once you type in music, click on music, and then where you see EQ, go ahead and turn that off, especially if you have late night selected. If you had late night selected, I can guarantee you that your Apple CarPlay was probably acting outrageous. And after you turn off that EQ, go ahead and try your CarPlay, see if it works, and let me know down in the comments if it does. But if it does not, the next thing you want to do is look at your Dolby Atmos. If Dolby Atmos is on and it's still not working after you just turned that EQ off, go ahead and turn that off as well. And then as far as sound check, if that's on, that just simply changes the sound of all your different music so that one type of song won't be louder than another and surprise you and hurt your ears if you're listening with headphones or in your vehicle or something like that. The last thing you can try is searching up reset and then click on that. Down at the bottom, you see you have reset and you have erase all content. You don't want to do that one. You just want to hit reset, and then you want to click reset all settings and then try to see if your CarPlay works. If these few options do not work, might just be having to wait on Apple to come out with an update to fix the situation. But I'm pretty sure that turning off that EQ will get you right. If this video helped you out, please slam the like button. It's greatly appreciated. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.